Welcome everyone to Ebony People TV. It's a beautiful day here in the lively streets of Enugu. And guess what? We are starting off with a little exploration of the iconic Ogbete main market and the bustling Holy Ghost area. Now let me tell you, Enugu State is not playing when it comes to giving this area a massive facelift. If you're used to Ogbete main market, you know that somehow, because of the too much traffic congestion, everywhere is always looking so disorganized. Road construction as we speak is in full swing along this axis, as you can see, and it's clear the vision here is all about progress and order. The once chaotic scenes are all gone now. Well, we can still see some of that, but let's just wait till this road construction is finally over. Now, sanity and calmness will return to the streets of Ogbete, and you can feel the energy. Residents and traders alike are excited about what's unfolding. But don't take my word for it. Take a close look at these roads. They are being transformed to accommodate both pedestrians and vehicles seamlessly. I mean, this is what development looks like, and I know you all agree it's long overdue. From the improved drainage systems to the smooth asphalt layers being laid down, everything here is being done with precision and care. It's exciting to see this kind of transformation happening right before our eyes. Big kudos to the team working around the clock to make this a reality. But wait, we are not stopping here. It's time to shift our focus to something equally exciting and breathtaking. Let's move all the way to the bus terminal. I mean, I would love to give you all an inside tour. Looking at this, it might seem like it's an airport or an aviation terminal at first glance, but no, it's something even more unique. This is one of the state-of-the-art bus terminals being developed under the leadership of Governor Peter Mba. Take a look at this beauty. From the contemporary design to the neatly paved surroundings, you can't help but admire the attention to detail. This terminal is all about social inclusion and equality. It's a space that says we are building for everyone, not just one person. Step inside with me and let's take a quick tour. Looking at this waiting area, the spacious, clean, everywhere just so sleek. Looking at it, it seems like everywhere looks set and ready for commissioning. Soon, this terminal will become a hub for seamless travel across the region, making life so much easier for commuters. So there you have it, my people. It's clear that Governor Peter Mba is delivering on his promise to make Enugu a model city. Don't forget to share your thoughts always in the comments. What do you think about this amazing project? And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more updates here on Ebony People TV. I will see you in our next video.